Lost luggage at the airport. Excuse me, I think my bag didn't come out. My flight just landed and I've been waiting for a while. Let me take a look at your ticket. What's your flight number? It's QF10 from Sydney. My baggage tag number is 12345. All right, I see. It looks like your bag is still at the transfer point. It may have been delayed during the process. Oh no, I'm supposed to attend a wedding in a few hours. How long will it take for my luggage to arrive? It should be about an hour or so before it arrives. I can help you with a few things in the meantime if you'd like. We can also provide you with a kit for toiletries if you need anything. That's good to know. I really need my dress and shoes. Is there any way to track the bag? Yes, we can provide a tracking number and you'll be able to check online for updates. I'll also send you an SMS as soon as your bag is ready for pickup. That's a relief. I was starting to panic. My flight was delayed by 3 hours.
Huh? I thought you were on the plane already.
My flight was delayed by 3 hours. 3 hours. I'll miss my cousin's wedding.
Lucky you. 3 more hours of overpriced coffee and tiny sandwiches.
Oh, yeah, exactly what I wanted. Spending a fortune to be miserable. What happened to your flight, anyway? You were supposed to leave like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, about that. The airline sometimes hates to see people happy.
Wow. Just wow. Unbelievable.
At least we get to suffer together.
Yay, misery bonding.
I'm sorry about the wedding, though. That sucks. Were you really close to your cousin?
She's like a sister to me. I was going to help her get ready this morning. Now I'll be lucky if I catch the last dance.
Wait, you got your dress in that bag?
Yeah? Why?
You could change in the bathroom and walk around the airport in it.
Great idea. I'll cry near gate 14 while slow dancing with my suitcase.
Okay, but seriously, do you want to video call them? Maybe you can still see the ceremony that way.
That's actually not a bad idea. Do you think it's weird if I do it in the middle of an airport?
Nah, I saw a guy try to smuggle a cactus through security before. You'll be the least unhinged thing there.
All right, fair. Thanks.
Anytime.
At the airport.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Yep, I'm flying to LA for a concert. I've waited a whole year for this.
Nice. Let's check your bag in and get you on your way. Just place it on the scale here. That seems heavy. Oh, this bag's at 31.6 kilograms.
That's not too bad, right?
I'm sorry, the max for check luggage is 23 kilos. Anything over 23, we can't even accept it.
But I need everything in there. Outfits, skincare, my concert light stick, backup light stick, emergency light stick.
That must be one serious concert. I get it. You've got 2 options. Take some stuff out and move it to your carry-on or pay the overweight fee. Your baggage exceeds the limit by quite a lot, so I'd say option 2 is the more suitable choice.
How much is the fee?
$125.
That's a whole hoodie at the merch booth. I don't think I can go with any of the options you suggested. All right, I'll just ship some stuff back home. Guess I'll have to say bye to a few light sticks and some fabulous outfits. The airport. Excuse me, is this where I put my bag for the security check?
Yes, ma'am. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Oh, no, it's stuck.
Let me help you.
No, I can do it. Okay, maybe not.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
There you go.
Wow, you made that look so easy.
Well, I'm a bit taller than you. It helps.
I guess being 5 feet tall isn't great for pushing big bags.
Well, it's all set now. Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much. Room reservation issue.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name of Josh Thompson. Let me check. Ah, yes, I see your reservation here. You've booked a standard room for 3 nights. Actually, I thought I booked a room with a king-size bed. I specifically asked for it when I made the reservation. I'm not seeing that in the system. It looks like you've been assigned a room with 2 twin beds. Oh no, that's really not going to work. I need a king-size bed. Is there anything you can do to change it? Let me check our availability. Good news! We do have a king-size room available. But there's a small upgrade fee of $20 per night. Would you like to switch? Yes, please. I really need a bigger bed for a comfortable stay. I'll make the change right now. Your new room is on the 4th floor, and here's your key card. Sorry for the inconvenience. That's okay.
At the hotel.
Hey, this is not what I saw online. The window's basically useless. It doesn't even brighten the room. That chair is clearly old and tired. Did I walk into the storage room by mistake? Hi, I just got to room 302. Yes, Mr. Alex, is everything okay? The room looks different. It's not like the photos on your website. Oh, yes, the rooms may appear slightly different in person. Slightly? There's no TV, the chair is old and worn out, the paint on the wall is peeling, and the view is a brick wall. Ah, yes, that photo was taken during spring. The lighting changes everything. Wow, didn't know the lighting adds furniture. We sincerely apologize for the unpleasant experience. But we're happy to offer you a free shuttle to the waterfall tomorrow. Also, we offer free meals, including pizza. Okay, cool. This deal's quite good. I sold my soul for a slice of pizza. Again. Still, it's not terrible. I just need a bed and Wi-Fi, right? Look what's on my hotel room's window. Yes, nothing.
Booking a guided city tour. Hi, We're interested in joining your city tour. Could you tell us more about it? Absolutely. Our guided city tour lasts 3 hours, and it takes you through all the highlights of the historic downtown. You'll visit the Old Town Square, the local museum, the cathedral, and more. It's a great way to learn about the city's history.
That sounds great. What time does the tour start?
We have 2 time slots, one at 10 a.m. and another at 2 p.m. The 10 a.m. one is perfect for us. How much is the tour for 3 people? It's $25 per person, so $75 total. The price includes the guide, transport, and a snack. That seems good. How do we book? You can book here or online for a 10% discount.
I'll book online for the discount.
Great! Renting a bike in Amsterdam. Hi there. I'd like to rent a bike.
Sure. Are you looking for a regular bike or an electric one?
Just a regular bike, please. How much is it for a day?
It's 15 euros for the whole day.
That sounds good. Do you have a smaller bike? I'm not very tall.
No problem. We have bikes in different sizes. Let me check. Here you go. This one should be comfortable for you.
Perfect. Does it come with a lock?
Yes, every bike comes with a lock. Amsterdam's safe, but it's always a good idea to lock your bike.
Great. And, do I need a helmet?
Helmets aren't required here, but we do have them if you want one. It's 5 euros extra.
I'll take the helmet too. Better safe than sorry.
Good choice.
How do I return the bike?
You can return it here before 8 p.m., or if it's late, just use the drop-off box outside.
Awesome. Thank you for explaining everything.
Enjoy exploring Amsterdam.
Shopping for souvenirs. Hello, excuse me. Do you sell Eiffel Tower keychains? Hi, yes, we do. They are right over there. Oh, thank you. How much? This one is 5 euros. 5. Sorry, I don't understand euros. Oh, euros are the money we use in France, like dollars in America. I see. Thank you. 5 euros. A little expensive? I understand, but this is good quality. It's made of metal, not plastic. Good quality. Okay. Do you have a discount? A discount. Let me check. Okay, for you, I can give it to you for 4 euros. Thank you. Very kind. You're welcome. Do you want anything else? Yes. This, what is its name? Oh, that's a fridge magnet. You stick it on your refrigerator. Okay, how much? 2 euros. Good price. I take one. Shipping souvenirs online.
Hi, do you ship internationally? Specifically to Germany?
Yes, we ship worldwide. Germany is no problem at all. What are you looking to order?
I really like this Statue of Liberty model. It looks so detailed.
That's a great choice. It's a popular item. This one is $20, and shipping it to Germany will be an additional $15.
$15 for shipping. That seems a bit high. How long does delivery take?
Typically, it takes about 2 weeks. We use a reliable courier service to ensure it arrives safely.
2 weeks? That's not bad. Do you provide tracking information?
Yes, absolutely. Once your order is shipped, we'll send you an email with the tracking details.
Perfect. Do you need my address now?
Yes, if you could write it down here on this form. Also, please include your email for the receipt and tracking information. Going on a hike in the Swiss Alps. Wow, Tom! This place is absolutely stunning! I can't believe we're really hiking in the Swiss Alps!
It's beautiful, but I have to admit, this hike looks a bit intense. Are we sure we're ready for this? Don't worry, we'll take it slow and steady. The trail we're doing today is manageable for beginners, but the views make it worth every step.
That's a relief. How long does the hike take?
It should take about 3 hours to reach the summit. But we'll stop along the way for rest breaks and to take in the views. Okay, that sounds more doable. I just hope I don't slip on these rocks.
I'll make sure to hold your hand if you need it.
If you both follow me here, we'll get a nice view of the valley below. It's perfect for photos.
I'm definitely getting some pictures of this. Can you help us take a group photo when we reach the top?
Absolutely. I love capturing moments for guests.
Shopping for traditional crafts. Mom, look at this bowl. It's so colorful and unique. It's beautiful, Jane. I love the vibrant colors. How much is it?
That one is $120. It's made by a local Pueblo artisan. And the design is inspired by traditional Native American patterns.
I've never seen anything like it. Can I get it for my room? It is beautiful, but $120 is a little more than I expected for a souvenir. Do you have any smaller pieces?
Yes, we have smaller bowls and trinkets. Let me show you some.
This one is cute. How much is it?
This one is $50. It's still handmade, but it's a smaller size.
I like this one. How about we get this one, Jane? It's perfect for my desk. Do you have any discounts if we buy these 2 small bowls?
Since you're taking 2 pieces, I can give you a 10% discount. So it would be $90 for both.
That sounds good. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. Would you like me to gift wrap them for you?
That would be wonderful. Thank you. Choosing vintage items.
Jake, check this out. I love this vintage style. Another jacket, Dad? How many leather jackets do you need?
That one is a classic. It's from the 1970s. Only $120, and it's in perfect condition.
It's an investment, Jake. This jacket is timeless. You can never go wrong with vintage. I just don't get how old clothes are worth so much.
But this jacket has history. It's not just any jacket. It's a piece of fashion history.
Exactly. It's got soul. I'll take it. Can I try it on first?
Of course.
You look like you just stepped out of an old rock band. It's perfect for you, Dad.
He's rocking it, right? That's the beauty of vintage. It's like time traveling through fashion.
I'll definitely take it.